Good morning, students. Today we'll start one chapter, new chapter, that is exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. So it is fourth chapter. First, before learning this one, okay, being you are coming from 7th class, you should have some foundation. For this foundation, I want to say some rules here. Okay. So, if I write A into like this, how many times A I written here? It is, see, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A I wrote 5 times. So this if I can express as A to the power of 5. How to read, see it? I should read as A to the power of 5. So I should read this as A to the power of 5. So if I write x 3 times and in between what is there here? Into is there. Then how I can write x 1, 2, 3 is there or not? So x cube. So a power m is there. A to the power of m. This you can read as a to the power of m or a power m. So a to the power of m means what you understood? This a is called base. So this m you can write, you can say as exponent or power. So this power, what is there? That many times you have to write the base and you have to multiply. See, a power 5. What is base here? A is base. What is 5? 5 is either exponent or power. So this base A we should write in power whatever number is there, that many times you have to write and you have to multiply. So now what I am writing is a power m, I can write as a into m times. How I have to write? M times. This a, how many times I have to write? M times. If the question is a to the power of n, what we have to do? A into, here what you have to write? N times. If I write a power n, it is same. But here what you have to write? N times, because in power n is there. So these entire you have to learn in 7th class. Next, some formulae. It is also one formula. So a to the power of minus m is there. In exponent or power, you have which symbol? Minus symbol. So a you can't write minus m times. See, x power minus 3 is there. X power minus 3 is there. You can write x 3 times. But how can you write minus 3 times? You can't write, no? So what you have to do means in power, if you are seeing minus, what you should do is you have to keep entire in the denominator by removing the minus symbol. See here, x power minus 3. Here minus I removed, and I wrote 1 by remaining everything, except minus what you have here, x cube. 1 by x cube. X power minus 3 means 1 by x cube. So if I write a power minus m, in power, are you seeing minus symbol or not? Yes. If in power minus symbol is there, what I said is you have to write 1 divided by, remove minus and write everything, a power m. 1 by a power m. So it is one formula. It is one formula. A power minus m. How you can write? 1 by a power m. If I have x power minus 2, what I said? 1 by minus, remove it, remaining write it. Remaining means base x power 2. So you have x square. 1 by x square. So I hope that you understood this one. Next. Next, what we have here? Some formula like a power m into a power n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. A power m into a power n. Formula is a to the power of m plus n. Here the rule is, say, if I write 2 cube into 3 square, I can't write 6 power 3 plus 2. It is wrong. Here and here, in this base is a, in this also base must be a only. So in 2 cube, base is 2. In 3 square, base is 3. Bases are different, so you should not apply this formula for this one. If bases are different, you should not apply this formula for this one. Okay. Now, for which numbers you have to apply this formula, we'll see it. If I write 2 cube into 2 square. Now see here, what is base in this one? Is base is 2. What is base in this one? 2. Bases are equal. Bases are equal, and in between this and this, in between, which symbol is there? Multiplication symbol. Multiplication symbol. See, must and should, bases must be same, and between symbol should be what? Multiplication symbol. Then only you can apply this formula. Now you can write, see, a, in place of a and a, what you have here? 2. So here a is the 2 written. Next, in a power m, if you compare this with this one, comparison. So a is there, 2 is there, m is there, 3 is there. In place of m, what you have here? 3. So for this 2 power, in place of m, you have to write 3. M after what symbol is there? Plus. N. N means for second number, a power n, you have 2 square. Means in place of n also you have 2. A is 2, n is 2. In place of n you have to write 2. So this base as it is you have to write it. Here you have 3 plus 2. Your mother gave 3 rupees to you, your father gave 2 rupees to you. How much it will be? 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 power 5. So 2 cube into 2 square is equals to 2 to the power of 5. Okay. So if anyone will ask x square into x power 4. So same, you have to remember this formula only. Bases are same or not? Bases are same or not? So bases are equal. In between multiplication symbol is there. Powers must be added. Powers must be added. So you have to add the powers. When you have to add the powers, bases must be equal. Bases must be equal. And in between multiplication symbol is there. Multiplication symbol, if it is there, then you have to add the powers. So I wrote here base x, okay, because what bases are there, you have to write only one time the base. Here see, a is there, a is there. I wrote only a one time in answer. Okay, m plus n. So in place of m you have here 2. In place of n you have 4. 2 plus 4, how much here? 6. So x square into x power 4. If bases are equal, in between multiplication symbol is there, you have to add the powers. So, if you remember this, you have some problems you can do it. It is the formula here. So many members they will say, what is the value of x into x? See here, x into x, x plus x. These two are different. In between these two, which symbol is there here? Into. In between these two, which symbol is there here? Plus. So, don't confuse. First, see with your eyes what symbol is there between the numbers. Either into or plus. So, come here. It is very easy. X before no number means 1x. Here also x before no number means 1x. Okay. Now, what is in common? 1x, 1x. Here and here, you can take x as common or not. 1 is also there in common, but you can take x as common. So, what is remained here? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is how much here? 2. 2 into x is nothing but 2x. 1x means 1 into x. 2x means 2 into x. 1 with 1 if you multiply any number, that number only will come. 1 into 5, 5 only. 1 into 10, 10 only. 1 into x, x. 2 into x, 2x. 3 into x, 3x. If anyone will ask x into 5, don't say x5. x5 it won't be there. Always number should be first. X into 5 is 5x. Means 5 into x also 5x only. X into 5 also 5x only. Okay. Now 1x plus 1x is equals to 2x. So when plus symbol is there, what you have to do, I am saying to you. 1x plus 1x. See, one Dairy Milk chocolate is there. X means here Dairy Milk chocolate. Let it be 1 chocolate plus 1 chocolate. Answer is 2 chocolates. Isn't it? 1 chocolate plus 1 chocolate. 2 chocolates. So here, like that 2 chocolate. Chocolate means x, 2x are written here. Now some more questions will come like this. That is 2x plus 3x is equal to 2x plus 3x is equal to. See here 2x means x plus x. 3x means x plus x plus x. X 3 times if you added 3x will come. X 2 times if you added you are getting 2x. Total how many times you are adding? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the answer here? 5x. Isn't it? See, x plus x is 2x. X plus x plus x is equal to 3x. For 2x, I should add 3x. What is the answer? 5x. So if you not understood this one, what you have to do is, if the question is 2x plus 3x, what is in common in these two? X is in common. Take x as common. In first term, x already I took as common. What is remained? 2 is remained. In 3x, x I took as common. What is remained? 3 is remained. So, Bodmer's rule is saying that first you have to simplify within the brackets. Within the brackets, what you have here? 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? 5. 5x. So 5 after, if you keep brackets like this, 5 times x. 5 into x. 5 times x is nothing but 5x only. So you have to write 5x. So 2x plus 3x. You can add it. Now, if I am saying here another example. 2x plus 3y. Here students and teachers, some teachers also will get confusion. So what I said about 2x? X plus x is 2x. Plus is the plus item. What is 3y? Y plus y plus y is 3y. So you can't write 5xy here. You can't write it. See, 2 chocolates plus 3 biscuits. Can you add a chocolate with a biscuit? See, 2 biscuits your brother given to you. 3 more biscuits your father gave. Total how many biscuits are there if I am asking? You can say 5 because they are like. They are like terms. Okay. But 2 chocolates given by your brother, 3 biscuits were given by your mother. Then how many chocolates are there? How many total? Total how many are there? So you will say I have 2 chocolates and 3 biscuits. You can't add them. You can't say 5. Okay. So chocolates and biscuits are called which terms? Which term? They are called no, unlike terms. They are unlike terms. Like terms only can be added. Unlike terms we can't add. So with this we'll try to do some problems in exponents here in 4.1. Okay. So basics already are there in previous class. That is 7th class. We have basics for this entire. This will come under the chapter algebraic expressions. Okay, algebraic expressions. Now simplify and give reasons. First question is simplify and give reasons. And give reasons. So what you have to do is, first question is 4 power minus 3. Just now I said a power minus m is nothing but 1 by a power m. It is reason. I am using this formula for this one. A in place of a what you are saying 4. In place of m what you are saying 3. Minus is all that. So I should write here. So here 1 by a means 4 cube. By applying this formula for this one, you will get this one. Simplification 1 by 4 cube. I said already a cube means a into a into a. Base, you have to write power times. 4, I should write 3 times. So, I should learn tables here. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So, here one more formula, a power m is equals to a into m times. So reasons are this one and this one. You applied two formulae to get this simplification. So minus 2 whole power 7. Minus 2 whole power 7 is there here. Same like this only. So 2 power minus 7 is different. Minus 2 whole power 7 is different. Here what is the base here? 2. What is exponent? Minus 7. Here what is the base? Minus 2. What is exponent? 7. Here this 2 power minus 7, 2 writing minus 7 times won't be there. I said already. By seeing in power minus, you have to apply one more formula. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. So this becomes like this. Now 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 into like this. How many times you have to write it? 7 times you have to write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times you have to write it. Then multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 32 2s are 64. 64 2s are 128. So it is 1 by 128. So it is called 2 power minus 7 value. Now come for minus 2 whole power 7. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this. Now minus and power, if it is odd number, even number. Even number means it will go in 2 table. Odd number means if you read 2 table it won't come. This power, if you read 2 table, will it come or not? What is the power here? 7. If you read 2 table, 7 will come? No. Therefore, it is called odd number. If odd number is there and in base you have minus, then in answer also you get minus only. The answer is minus. How you will get is minus into minus how much? Plus. Again plus into minus is minus. Minus into minus is plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. At last you got minus only. Okay. Next 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 times. So all are in numerators only. So 2 power 7 means you are getting 128. The answer for this is minus 128. Means in numerator. It is what? 1 by 128. 1 by 128 is never equals to minus 128. These two are not same. So these two are not same. So what you have to do is for next class, better you have to read all the formulae which were there in the last. What we have discussed is there. In that some formulae are there in page number 95. So by heart all the formulae. It's very important before doing the problems. If you know formulae, you can do the problems. Okay. Write fair notes. We'll see in the